Hi everyone, I'm Tatiana Medintseva and today I want to show you something special. What if you could crochet a puppy that looks like an advanced designer amigurumi but is actually easy, relaxing and fun to make? Meet my newest puppy design. This adorable puppy is about 22 centimeters tall, 8.7 inches, and has one feature that so many crocheters love. There are absolutely no sewn-on parts. That's right, the arms, legs, tail and ears are crocheted separately and then joined into the body as you go, making the project smoother, easier and much more enjoyable. I spent days perfecting this design, carefully adjusting the proportions and refining every detail until it looked exactly the way I imagined. The full step-by-step video tutorial will be released very soon and will be available exclusively for the 3rd level channel members. So make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on so you don't miss the release. And there is a special bonus for my members. If you join the 3rd level membership, you can receive the PDF crochet pattern for this puppy completely free. Just contact me via Instagram or email and send me your email address. You can also request your preferred language version. The pattern is sent in English by default, but I'll gladly provide a translation for you. You'll find all the details in the description below this video. One of my favorite things about this puppy is how beginner-friendly it is. The design uses only 4 basic crochet stitches: chain stitch, single crochet, increase, decrease. That's it. Even if you are relatively new to amigurumi, you will be able to follow along. In the tutorial, I also show how to work with 2 colors and explain color changes step by step, helping you create clean, professional-looking results. Once you learn the technique, you will be able to experiment and create your own unique color combinations. And if you are a complete beginner, simply crochet the puppy in one color for the easiest experience. Before I go, let me show you these little puppies. They are like the younger siblings of this new design, very similar in appearance, but much smaller and perfectly palm-sized. Have you crocheted one yet? If not, I highly recommend starting there. The video tutorial is free on my channel and the PDF pattern is available on Etsy. Just like the larger puppy, it has no sewn-on parts and is easy and enjoyable to make. Crochet the small puppy first, then the larger one, and you will have an adorable puppy family. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you lots of creative inspiration and happy crocheting!